How's it going, everybody? Justin Savage here at MarineMax Venice, here in sunny Florida on Snake Island. I'm aboard an Aquila 32. Jump on board and we'll go through the boat. All right, hey everybody, Justin Savage here on the back of the 32 Aquila. So starting here, boat is equipped with twin Mercury 300 Verados. Nice big open space here. You have a beach boarding ladder underneath this compartment, so if you are out at a sandbar, easy on, easy off. Moving your way in, you'll notice a ton of seating, over a 12-foot beam on this boat, and you really feel it when you're in this seating area here. 2 people here, 3 people here. I mean, you could really load it up with family and friends. Nice table here if you are doing any kind of food. There's also additional cup holders when you flip this thing down here. Moving your way up, Captain Kevin driving here. Very simplistic helm. Kind of everything's where it needs to be. Switches are nice and labeled. Got your joystick operating, radio right above the steering wheel. So everything's kind of within arm's reach and easy to access. Here we are on the port side of the boat. You can see here, nice co-captain's chair, flip up bolster seat, flip down footrest if you are sitting in this position. Nice little features like that. Leading down into a pretty spacious cabin. You can sleep 2 pretty comfortably in there. Easy in and out as well, lots of headroom. So it's not something you really got to cramp down and ball up into to get down in there. This is equipped with a summer kitchen, sink, grill, kind of for be able to prep some meals for a full day out on the water. Here we are on the starboard side, right in front of the helm. You have a large head area. Again, just like the cabin, tons of headroom, easy in and out, big or small, you can get in here and do your business and get out. Working our way up to the bow. You can see still very wide, easily sit 2 people here, 1 person here. So if you want to get into the sun, you have all this area to do so. All right guys, that's some features of the 32 Aquila. Come in and check it out. Big takeaways of the boat, nice big hard top. You're out of the weather, out of the sun. Opens up into a large cockpit area, over 12-foot beam again. So if you're out looking for a boat, have a ton of family on, hit the beaches, hit the sandbars, have an enjoyable day out on the water, this will kind of fit all those needs. So again, this is at Venice. Come on and check it out. My name is Justin Savage. I'm here.